Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm a service technician in the Applied Solutions team at Daikin. I started my apprenticeship here at 18 and I work mainly on commercial HVAC systems, including chillers from 50 kilowatts up to 4,500 kilowatts. My path to Daikin came through a family connection. After completing my apprenticeship with Daikin, I gained some experience outside before I came back because I really value the culture and the growth opportunities here. I thought I would be crawling through roof spaces doing residential installs. Instead, I work on large-scale commercial systems. It's far more technical and complex than I expected. I enjoy the bigger technical challenges like centrifugal compressor overhauls. They really test your planning and mechanical skills, and it's rewarding when you get them right. They require teamwork and precision, and knowing we restored those systems to full operation is something that I am proud of. At Daikin, we've got a strong national support. Other technicians are always willing to help, and our coordinators are extremely supportive. Monthly toolbox talks also keep everyone aligned and updated. At Daikin, I've developed planning, quoting, and large-scale mechanical skills. I've also learned how important teamwork is. You cannot do this job alone. If you're willing to learn and be part of a team, you'll do well here. Teamwork really matters in this role. You'll learn a lot of different skills that will boost your confidence. We've got a solid team here at Daikin. The field and office teams are supportive, and Daikin values the work we do. That makes a big difference.